Okay, folks, welcome to the channel. What we're going to be doing is a review on this Stihl. It's the MS 271 Farm Boss, and I've had it long enough now, and I've cut enough wood to give a review on this. And this thing haven't been started for about 4 months, I'm guessing. So I haven't touched it or anything like that. Just wanted to show you guys how it starts, which I do have a video on how it starts anyway. But so here, you push in on the handle, and you push that all the way down, and that gives you full choke. And then you give her a couple of pulls. It says in the manual 2 pulls, and she should burp. And then you just move this up to the next, and you start her up. And then when you push the throttle, it will go up to the run position. So that's how that goes. MS 271, be 50.2 cc engine, power 2.6 kilowatt, or kW, about that, 3.5 bhp. I do know what that is. That's 3.5 horsepower, but it's braking horsepower. And the ability to understand, that means when it's under load. So it's 3.5 horsepower. When it starts, it's reliable. It's a workhorse. You can go all day, every day, right? And if you're looking for a saw within the medium budget range, I'm going to call it a medium budget range. But to be honest with you, it's on the high end as far as I'm concerned. You're looking, like $500 bucks. It's a okay saw for the budget in its class. 13 pounds, and that is what they call power head dry. So that means no oil, no gas, no bar, no chain, and that's the weight of it. It's